Vice President Leni Robredo has converted her office in Quezon City into a COVID-19 response headquarters. In a video uploaded on her Facebook page, Robredo showed viewers around different areas of the office. The main building is full of rice sacks and boxes containing relief items. It has been converted to a relief operations center where volunteers make food packs distributed daily.
Iba-iba yung pinapadalhan dito. Naghahanap tayo ng mga pinakamahihirap na communities. Pinabigyan natin ng priority yung mga fire victims, yung mga stranded passengers, karamihan na mga hindi kabahagi ng distribution ng government. Ang iba kabahagi din pero nangangailangan pa din. So doon tayo tumututok, mga urban poor communities, iba-iba.
Space at the living room has been used to store donations.
Yung aming living room, hindi na siya nakikilala. Sa dami ng tambak, ayun, naging bodega na siya. Ito po yung area siguro na parati nyo nakikita sa mga pictures pag may nagpo-cortisol, etc. Dito kami nagpi-picture. Pero as you can see now, sobrang gulo po dito. Ito yung mga nakatambak na ready for distribution na.
The dining room has been converted to dorm operations headquarters. The OVP is managing 12 dorms where frontliners are temporarily staying.
Guys, po kami ng gamit for the haircut tomorrow.
Ayun, nag-aayos daw sila ng gamit for the haircut tomorrow. Talaga yung initial na plano natin, mga PPEs lang. Kasi yun yung need na sinasabi noon. Pero nung nawala ng public transport, at first ang nilagay muna natin mga shuttle buses. Pero yung mga pasahero mismo natin sa shuttle buses, doon natin sa kanila nakuha yung information na sobrang dami ang nangangailangan ng dorms. Kasi karamihan sa kanila, ayaw umuwi ng bahay para hindi mahawaan yung family, or kahit gusto nilang umuwi, wala talagang facility umuwi kasi nga walang public transport. Dito. So magdi-disinfect muna.
The room used as a repacking area for personal protective equipment or PPE has strict disinfection procedures.
So etong mga andito, ito yung samples ng bawat pumapasok na PPEs. Ang nakalagay dito yung mga na-approve na mga fabric. Kasi hindi lahat na fabric pwedeng masuot ng health frontliners na nag-aasikaso ng COVID. Pag na-test siya, meron tayong mga doktor na partners, tinetest yung pagka-water repellent, pagka-alcohol repellent. Tapos yun yung mga nagiging basis if pag sinabi level 4, pwede siyang isuot ng mga health frontliners na nag-aasikaso ng COVID patients.
Donated PPEs below level 4 are given to barangay health workers and those manning checkpoints. From the main building, Robredo brings the tour to the gazebo.
Dito binabalot yung pag sinabi natin PPE sets from the head cover to the shoe cover, kumpleto. Pati yung disposable gowns, pati goggles, pati masks, pati gloves. Dito lahat. Dito. Yung mga malalaking meetings sa gatherings, dito po ginagawa. So ngayon, kinonvert na talaga siya na relief operation center.
According to her, when the Angat Buhay labels are posted on the boxes, the containers are ready for distribution.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.